In this video, I am demonstrating how to install the MyJetStream web application for data cataloging and data management. MyJetStream comes bundled as a single zip file containing all components needed to install and run with a minimum of effort. So what we do is simply unzip into the MyJetStream directory, which I've done, and we go into that directory and start this Start JetStream script. We wait a moment before launching a web browser and entering a setup URL. We only do this the very first time when we install MyJetStream, and some basic information is asked for: asset name, application name, most importantly the repository location. In this case, what we are going to do is we're going to ask MyJetStream to manage this New South Wales subset directory, which contains a number of directories containing geophysical data. There's that here, and submit. And this now configures the MyJetStream application, and it allows us to enter it by entering another URL. This will take us to the welcome page. We can do a number of things here. Because this is the first installation, what we do is go into the administration page straight away. We enter the password, and we go to this site admin tool. We can do a number of things here. What we will do in this case, the first thing we do is we actually acquire the catalogue. That means we ask MyJetStream to run through our repository recursively, looking for geophysical datasets that it knows and understands, such as sequi files, EarMapper grids, shapefiles, geotiffs and JPEGs and so on. We'll wait for this to finish. The first time it takes the longest, but when we run it again, it only looks for new datasets or modified datasets. So that's complete. We can now show the catalogue. You can see there's a number of fields in our catalogue. There's the name of every dataset, as well as the boundary and theme, and whether we publish it or not. In our case, we are just going to select a subset of these. So what we do is we search for any dataset containing this string. So we're looking only at the isostatic Bouguer gravity tilt filter datasets, and there's 4 of them. Our intention in here is to publish these and look at them in the map interface of MyJetStream. So the way we do that is that we select all 4. We set the asset team for it. We then go and set the theme for it, gravity in this case. We say that we want to publish it, and then we say that we want web viewable content for these 4 datasets. This means that we'll be able to see them in our map interface. So once we've done that, we're ready now to update the content, automatically create the web viewable content from the original data. So we wait for that to finish. Once that is finished, we can start another browser and actually navigate again to the welcome page of MyJetStream. This time, instead of going to the admin page, we go straight into this asset page. Again, we have to enter a username and a password. And you can see it has a number of layers available. Gravity's our theme. These are all grids. These are the 4 datasets that we published. And before we turn us on, we can navigate to the part to New South Wales. Kind of zoom in. The reason we showed a map of the world is because we haven't set the boundaries of our asset. Once we're ready, we can just turn on these layers and it'll update the map with the 4 datasets. And then finally we can zoom in a bit more, and now we've demonstrated installing MyJetStream, cataloguing data for initial time, and having a look at the map view of those datasets. And that completes this demonstration.